Hey guys, let's see how to replace the air filter on an LG refrigerator. As you can see here, there's a warning, so I need to replace it. So you need to locate the filter. In my case, it's just back there. It depends on the model, could be in a different place. Mine is just back there. So I just need to use this one that I got from Amazon. That's the filter. I'll leave the link here in the description. And this is the one that I'm gonna use. To remove the filter, just turn counterclockwise. There we go. And here, you just need to remove this one. Just make sure that you have the information here front when you put the other one back. Okay, so see here, there's an indication. There we go. I removed this one. Then I just need to put the new one in place. Again here, front is here. And I put the way, okay? And just put it back in place like this. Now clockwise, okay? And finally, the next step is just to reset the filter. So you come here, you see that's blinking, and I press and hold until it reset. There we go, it's reset. And that's the way you can replace the air filter on an LG refrigerator. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.